In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Peace and blessings on the Holy Prophet be upon. It is honor and prestige for me to speak in front of the reverend dignitaries and excellencies. The motive assigned to me is the mutual respect of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq and Ahl Bayt. To acknowledge the respect and the preference of the Holy Prophet of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq is necessary and important, and the respect of Ahl Bayt is an obligation of Islam and the commandment of Quran. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq is the first who accepted Islam. He is the one who first collected Quran, and he is the first caliph of the Muslims. Hazrat Ali accepted his caliphate and he was pleased with it. He said that he was the best among us, and he helped him in his affairs of the caliphate. Respected judges, Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Ali, once on their way, they saw Hazrat Imam Hassan. Hazrat Abu Bakr lifted him on his shoulders and said that may my parents be sacrificed for you. You resemble the Holy Prophet, not Hazrat Ali. Hazrat Ali smiled on this, and one day when Hazrat Abu Bakr was on the pulpit of the Rasul, Hazrat Imam Hassan came and said that come down. Hazrat Abu Bakr came down and said that you are true, and made him sat on his lap and wept. Respected judges, this show the great respect and honor of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq and Ahl Bayt. Another sign of their love is that the Ahl Bayt named their children after Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. The first to do so was Hazrat Ali. He named his son Abu Bakr. Imam Hassan named his son Abu Bakr. Imam Hussain named his son Abu Bakr. And Imam Musa Kazim named his son Abu Bakr. Respected judges, when Hazrat Abu Bakr once saw Hazrat Ali, he started smiling. Hazrat Ali asked that, "Oh Abu Bakr, why are you smiling?" Hazrat Abu Bakr replied that I have heard the Holy Prophet saying that the one to get across the bridge of Sirat is the one who you will permit. Hazrat Ali also smiled and said that there is a good news for you. Hazrat Prophet also said that the one who I will permit will be the only one who have the love of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq in his heart. Respected judges, in the period of the Holy Prophet, when Hazrat Ali came, Hazrat Abu Bakr stand in the respect of him and give him his own place. As well, when Hazrat Abbas, the Rasul's uncle, came, he also stand in his respect and honor. Respected judges, the ceremony of Hazrat Fatima, the arrangements were performed by Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. He said that find the Rasul Akram in his descendants, and in the review of the love of Hazrat of the Holy Prophet, review show reference in Ahl Bayt. Respected judges, when Hazrat Aisha was asked that who was the nearest and the dearest to the Holy Prophet, she replied that Hazrat Fatima and her husband Hazrat Ali were the best amongst them. And when the same question was being asked to Hazrat Fatima, she replied that Hazrat Aisha and her father Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq were the nearest and the dearest to the Holy Prophet be upon. Respected judges, the son of Hazrat Abu Bakr was appointed the governor of Egypt in the caliphate of Hazrat Ali. Thank you.